Emirates Palace Hotel. Welcome. Ayan. Kami ay magtutour. Dito muna. Dito pala ang dagat. Ayan. Ha?
Mandarin Beach.
Mandarin Beach?
Yes.
Ah, that's front side Mandarin Beach.
What time close the beach?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Hotel room?
Yeah. Side of all of it.
Mandarin na hotel. At 1. Ayan. Kunyari ay ano, pang manyaman. Manyaman, walang pera. That is Broadway Studio. Kanina lang, nasa bumbum kami. Italian?
Yes.
Okay. Residence?
This is Palace Terrace.
Palace.
Main lobby backside.
Palace Terrace.
Yes.
What is that here?
Lebanese restaurants inside.
What?
Lebanese restaurant.
Ah, Lebanese. Ah, there are different
And
hotel.
Oriental wing.
Where's the Filipino restaurant?
This is Oriental wing area.
Oriental?
Wing.
Way.
Hindi ka magpailis.
Ah, this is different pala.
All wooden room.
Hotel. So, this is our room. Oriental, right? Here? And this is one?
Dapat dito na lang kayo dati.
This one is club restaurants here inside and PP Club Beach.
Which? What? What?
PP Club Beach.
Ano pa? 5 pa?
Oriental.
Dalawa pa lang naman ako.
Beauty Island. This
There is a
This is
lobby.
VIP, right? VIP?
Yes.
Where VIP niya?
And
That's our room,
Alma
VIP.
Restaurants, frontside Alma.
Gala-gala.
Ate, oh.
Oriental Beach.
Oriental.
Here, pool bar available.
Kung maintindihan pa rin nasabi mo, ha? Ayusin mo. Wow. This one, we're going to
Pare, we have golf here. Golf. Golf. Not.
Patsal-patsal muna.
Wala mo na sa bumbong.
Malaki man ito. Hello, ayan. Charot-charot. Hello! Good morning, world! Wow, andito pala kami kanina. Oh. Laki ang lawak talaga. Ano?
Pwedeng lakarin to?
Oo, paano to? Hindi tayo makakapaglakad pala dito.
Punta lang tayo dun sa beach tapos. Oo, hindi natin siya.
This one is?
Elephant.
Elephant? Elephant?
Ah, helipad.
Ah, I thought elephant.
Helipad.
I thought there's elephant. Ah. Elephant what?
Helicopter.
Helicopter landing.
Ah, okay.
Sometimes it comes.
Tawag pala doon ay elephant.
Helipad.
Ah, helipad. Akala ko elephant. Kasi...
Yung bababaan niya, gano'n.
Ah, okay. Ano? Ah, ito pala yung Bab Alcoor Hotel. Alcabar. Okay. Wala na yung view natin. Ay, ang saya-saya naman.
Pusin mo na ba yung oras mo?
Oh, meron pala tayo ditong ano, YP.